By default, when you install software in Python, it is installed system-wide. Every Python application can see and only use the same version of the software. Imagine the scenario in which you are developing two Django applications, but each requires a different version of Django. By default, you cannot install two versions of Django system-wide. The solution is to use a virtual environment. Using a virtual environment allows you to run a different version of Django in two different environments. Using these 5 steps, I will demonstrate how to install Django within a virtual environment and test the setup. I will be using or carrying out these tests using the Mac operating system. Should you be interested in a different operating system, follow me on LinkedIn to see other tutorials on how to do this same test using Windows or Linux. To create the virtual environment, I'm going to use the virtual env command. So the command is virtual env, and then I will specify the name of my virtual environment. I'll call it Hudson. The next step now is to activate this virtual environment. To activate this virtual environment, I need to know the path to the folder which contains the virtual environment. I can do that using the print working directory. And the command is source, specify the working directory, specify the name of that project, of the virtual environment, which is Hudson. Inside that environment, we have the bin directory, which contains the activate command, the activate script. So this is how we've started or activated the virtual environment. Immediately, it changes into the name of our virtual environment. Okay. From the virtual environment, we can even verify the version of Python we are running. So say Python. In this case, I'm running Python 3.9.0. Now let's install Django, and the version I would like to use is Django version 2.1.5. To install Django, I'll do pip, which is the package installer for Python. I'll say install Django, and I specify the version 2.1.5. I can also upgrade my pip installer. Just copy and paste this. Now, after installing Django, I would like to import the module into my Python virtual instance. To do this, I'll simply type Python, which takes me into the IDE environment, and I will import Django. To test or to see the version of Django I'm running, I will run the instruction Django.get_version, which is a function. This should print out the version of Django I'm running. I will zip the Python environment, and from the virtual environment, you can list all the packages or modules you've installed. To do that, you run pip list. We've installed Django 2.1.5. We can create a different environment and install a different version of Django. So in my workspace, I'm going to create a new virtual environment. You can remember the command is virtual env, and then you specify the name of the environment. I'll call it Hudson 2. If I list, I see I have 2 virtual environments here. Actually, I have 3 virtual environments. Okay, so I would want to activate Hudson 2. Again, remember, I get your working directory. I use the source command, specify the working directory, specify Hudson 2 bin, and activate. Immediately, I enter into the virtual environment for Hudson 2, as indicated by Hudson 2. Okay, now I can install a different version of Django. I'll do pip install Django. In this case, I won't specify a particular version because I want to use the latest Django version. Enter. So right now, if I do pip list, even though I'm running two virtual environments, they each have different versions of Django installed. Hudson version 2 has Django 3.1.5 and Hudson version 1 has Django 2.1.5. Using virtual environments, you're able to install different packages or different versions of applications in different environments. Now, after you're done with your virtual environment, you have to deactivate it. So the command is simple, deactivate. I'll do the same for Hudson version 2, deactivate. So in this tutorial, I've demonstrated how to set up and test your Python virtual environments. Keep an eye out for more tutorials on Python, Django, and DevOps in general.